Is everyone back on? Is everyone back on? Sorry
Hallelujah.
about the number of people I had in the first one. Let me just do a quick call to the group. Okay, there's actually two groups. Guys, are you guys back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay, so as I explained to you guys, just before the session cut off, sorry about that. We were speaking about the tips. So entry tips. So this has to do with entry, specifically entry. If price breaks a whole numbered key level, in the big time frame, and then stops with small candles, then start shooting out with either bullish, or bearish, engulfing, find entry. Okay. Everyone write this down, guys.
Yes.
Does everyone fully understand it? Okay, I'm gonna delete this since everyone said they wrote it down. I'll just screenshot it for those of you guys who want it in the group. So, for example, going back onto a trade that actually looks like this. So let's say, for example, price was moving in a downtrend in this case. Let's say we purely focused on here. Price is giving us lower highs and lower lows. First thing to do, let's say maybe price is around this key area. First thing to do is identify the possible key areas that price can go to. So I'm going to check, in this case, where is the price? I always do that. Check where is the price. If the price is on 119, 286, I'd identify 120 as my key level. Remember that the digits in 10 and 5 are the main key levels when it comes to the market. and identify 17,500 to be my possible next key level if we continue moving to the downside. And then obviously last time price stop is over here, so I'm not going to ignore that. And then there's a key level here, which is the previous low. The trend is moving in what trend?
Downtrend.
Downtrend. We had a bounce off area. And another bounce off that key area. So I'm possibly expecting the market to go up, retest this, and then start going to the downside, maybe. So when the market drops, I'm not going to ignore this key level. If it does drop, I'm not saying you should tell the market what to do, because it can do what it wants to do. So in this case, if the market drops, I will take half of my profits. If I decide to enter here, I'll take half of my profits here, and I'll take my full profits on 117,500. Because the market will not just turn around anyway if it's not a key level that I'm expecting, like the whole number key levels that we actually did. So in this case, let's see what price does. Price goes back up. Remember, I told you guys, price can do what it wants to do. Price went straight to 120. It went past this level, so it went to retest the recent level we had. Now I'm waiting for the market to either give me a bullish or bearish engulfing in the smaller time frame, so I can enter with a sell, and I'm going to take half profit over there and then full profit there. Price start playing around in that key area. Obviously, in the smaller time frame, there's probably a bullish or bearish engulfing that I got as the market was consolidating around there. Market start dropping. I take partial profit. Market drops. I take full profit. Do you guys understand? Now the trend became wider. This trend line does not matter. I have to look at the bigger trend. So price bounced off here. If price breaks 117.5, we're probably gonna stop at 115. But we might be going down and stopping all along the way. If price wants to go back up, it will go back up. Price can do what it wants to do. Price continues to drop. For those who are able to take a sell, would probably target the next key levels like 116, 116.5, just like that. Price drops. It goes back above 117.5. That is the first sign that it might want to give us bullish momentum. So now that price actually went up, that means this downtrend is no more valid, right, guys?
Yeah.
So I'm expecting price to come back, retest, or give me small candles in smaller time frame, come back, retest, and then so I can buy it. And then I can easily just do what? Take a trend line and look at the new trend that's actually popping up. So I move with the market. Can you guys see my trend line is constantly moving with me? It doesn't stay behind. Do you guys understand?
Yeah.
So now price is purely moving in an uptrend. If it breaks here, I'm waiting for it to stop. Give me bullish momentum. I'm buying to the next key level, which is the level we might be approaching. Maybe 122,500 over there. As the market goes, it keeps on breaking, keeps on giving me new uptrends. The market is respecting that uptrend. I'm buying it all the way up. Market breaks the trend line, but does not take this low out. So that means we might maybe adjust it if the trend is going to continue. And look what the market does. It adjusted to that. So do you guys understand?
Yeah.
Now you guys obviously can't expect to do things the way I do it, because I'm a little bit more advanced than you guys. But I'm just trying to give you guys a way for you guys to go back and see. Did you guys see what I did? I went to the bar replay, went back, simply identify the trend, key levels, and then start playing it. When you play it, then it goes in front. It shows you what you could have possibly done, if you could have possibly entered or exited, and whatsoever. That's how you actually check direction when it comes to the market. Does everyone understand it?
Yes.
So you guys are going to be doing a lot of brain testing for the weekend, because on Monday I want to speak to advanced traders, because I want to speak to beginner traders. Okay.
So,
Any type of pair in the market moves according to these key levels. It's very important. Okay. Is there any pair that you guys would like me to analyze?
Yeah.
Is there any pair you guys would like me to analyze?
USD JPY.
USD JPY.
this DJPY.
Yeah. Someone is in a negative on USD JPY. Why you guys say, yeah, USD JPY? Okay, so in the weekly chart, we can see we're all bullish. So I'm just going to go straight into the daily chart. Okay, so in this one, we can see there's 3 digits before the dot. So that means I would look at 112,500. Do you guys understand why I'm looking at 112?
Yeah, 110.
Yeah, 110, like from here, 110. 110 is all the way down. So anyway, it's very far from where we want to focus on. I look at 115. So I'd say I'm expecting USD JPY to maybe go straight to 115. But we had a mini support here around 113.5, which we can see these 2 candles in the daily chart actually spiked around it. So I wouldn't be surprised if price come back to retest this before it starts shooting to the upside. It takes me less than 5 minutes or so to actually analyze a currency pair. We're still moving in an uptrend, so there's a lot of bullish momentum, which we can see. If I wanted to pull it from all the way from the bottom, I would have pulled it, but I'll just put it over here. So those who found the trade around this area here, let's chart it go. Now, obviously, price was giving us higher highs to show bullish momentum. And now we go into the smaller time frame and see what did price do when it got to that point. So we can see price stopped. It wigged around this box here. 4 candles. The first bullish candle to show bullish momentum is this one here. Simply bought it, whoever bought it. I didn't buy it because I don't trade it. My stop loss is below the previous low. Take profit at the next key level, which is, okay, back. Okay, yeah. Next take profit is obviously that 115 key level, but obviously price started rejecting this area, which is 114, so it makes sense because it's a whole numbered key level. So around 114, those of you guys who stop profits, close up profits, and then put your stop loss at break even, leave the rest of the trade to run. So I'm expecting USD JPY to go straight to 115. Without me having to look all the way back to what price did before. See how I find it easy.
Yeah.
Very easy, right?
Yeah.
There's no magical thing that I use or something like that. We can all see that downtrend. We had bullish momentum from 110. This is 110. We had bullish momentum from 110. We know we'd obviously approach 112,500. But This other key levels, there's something that I didn't state to you guys. I don't know, did I state it? Guys, this other key levels like 111, 109, 114, it doesn't mean that they're not strong, guys, because usually the market retests these levels. Do you guys understand me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's say you found a trend that looks like this. Now it looks complicated. You don't know where the market is going. You don't know what's happening. So you start by identifying 110. Obviously, that's where the market is coming from. And we could possibly go to 112,500.
111.
Now, it doesn't mean that, let's say, for example, you see this trend broken. If you want to pull the trend line to be longer, it doesn't mean that that 111 around here is not important. It is, like I said, if price breaks through a key level, if it comes back to retest it, it doesn't bite no one for you. It doesn't bite anyone. You can take the trade if you want to. Do you guys understand? So in this case, look how we came to 111. And then we got, what did we get when we got to 111? We got a bullish engulfing. There's two candles
All
here.
the way up.
This is a bullish engulfing. Exactly on one level. 111 is the whole number key level. So now, to give you guys the smartest way, if you buy price from 111, don't target 112. Because the next closest, strongest key level is 112,500. So just take that one because it's the next quarter level. So take 112,500. So now you know that price is moving in an uptrend. You can take the trend line because it makes my chart look sick. And I can now purely focus on this uptrend here. Simple as that. Do you guys understand? Am I going too advanced for you guys? You guys don't seem excited.
No, I understand.
So that's USD JPY. Which other pairs are you guys looking at?
Euro JPY.
Euro JPY. I haven't looked at it for a while, so I don't know what's going on. Same thing. I feel like all the JPY pairs, you can already see it's analyzed here. I feel like all the JPY pairs are moving in a bullish trend as we're speaking now. Obviously, bounce, went up. We took this level out. We can see on the daily chart that there were small candles in the 4 hour, not 4 hour, in the 1 hour. It was even a consolidation box. The first bullish momentum. Where was the first bullish momentum?
When it broke out.
When it broke out. It can be here.
Yes.
It can be over there. We have like a bullish engulfing. I'm entering. I don't wait. I enter, boss. Stop loss, slightly below. Take profit, next key level. So if I'm buying USD JPY from that 130 level, where's my next target going to be?
132,500.
Thank you. 132,500. That's my next key level. Because that's the next quarter level that I'm looking at. Hey, you guys. No, it's crazy. Can anyone tell me which other pair do you want me to look at? I'll just look at random pairs, man. Just
USD
CHF.
Oh, Swiss franc.
Yes, dollar Swiss franc. I haven't looked at it in a month or so.
I don't like that thing.
Yo, it doesn't look nice, eh?
It
It doesn't
likes
look nice.
consolidating.
Yeah. likes consolidating, but okay, so with our strategy, anything is possible, so we never get scared. Obviously, price is now at that 92,500, exactly there. Boom, price is there, which we can all see. Shaded one, thank you. And then remember, this pair likes consolidating, but we'll try to, get direction. If you see me not focusing on a pair, just know that there's something wrong. Not something wrong, but because I don't like that pair. Either it likes to consolidate a lot, gives too many lows and too many highs. Okay, so in this case, price is moving in a downtrend. So, and my next target can be here. I will not say we're going back to that 90,000 because it's way far. I mean, it's all the way here, so I'm not going to look at it. I'll just look at the next target that I should be, the next key level that I should be targeting. So I'll target 91,500, because that's the last time where price stopped. On the dot, can you guys see that?
Yeah.
On the dot. Yeah, before we started having this big push to the upside. We were moving in an uptrend now recently, which we can all see, but price broke the trend line now. So that trend line doesn't matter anymore. I am now looking at this lower trend line. I will just have an eclipse over there. And I'll have another eclipse here. Oh. So this is USD-CHF. What USD-CHF? Looks like it's moving down. One thing that makes me worried. The lady that was asking, ne? I'm gonna show you something. So I don't know how you get to this point, but you need to look at what did price do when it got to a key level. So we can see that 92,500 over there is a very strong key level. Does everyone agree with me?
Yeah.
For us to understand that price, for us to have like full confirmation that price is gonna drop, is if price, look at the last time, what did price do when it got to that 92,500? It came back, retested it. The low that it got to is here. And then it started going up. Yesterday we closed over there. So can you see that this key level is strong as well?
Yeah.
Even though 92,500 is strong, but we can visualize and see it with our eyes that price stops here all the time. So if I get just one candle that can close below this key level, just one candle, I'm confident that we're moving in a downtrend because we gave me a lower high. Yes, that is break of structure. I do understand that. But if price decides to eclipse, close below here, and then retest, hold it with small candles, and then, damn, I'm selling to this point. I'm selling the price. But for now, maybe I might sell till here because that was the last key level that we reached. But for now, no, I wouldn't really be confident. Because when you're looking at the bigger picture, you can see that, I mean, price is we can all see this, right? Price is consolidating. Yeah. So if price gets
sort
out
of like
the box as well.
Yo, Kat, can I ask something?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, my network was bad, so I just hopped in right now. So I don't know if it's my eyes or something, but isn't that similar to like some kind of like a head and shoulder kind of pattern?
Yeah, looks like a head and shoulder. Yeah, because there was the high here, and then we have a lower left, which is left shoulder, then the right shoulder. So the neckline of it is my main focus. So if price closes below this, then I'll just clone it. You guys know about it because you saw it in the advanced thing, in the beginners videos. I know a lot of people actually like it, the cloning part. So I'm expecting price to drop. Can you see that? Boom, I'm expecting price to go till 91,500 if the price decides to go lower, because that's the same length to the downside. The lady, do you now understand USD-CHF? Are you possibly running a trade on it?
Yes.
Oh, are you running a buy or sell?
A sell.
You're running a sell. And when did you sell it?
I was actually using the first strategy, the ones on the Mecca. Yeah.
Oh, so you probably sold it maybe yesterday, the day before.
Yes, yesterday.
Oh, yesterday. Yeah,
Yesterday.
don't worry. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna fall. I'll just look at this mid-level as well, because see our price gave me another like key level there. I don't think we're gonna go above it. Yeah, it's definitely gonna sell. Let's wait and see, because this candle, this black candle, yeah, it shows a lot of bullish momentum. It's a shooting star, and it's
yeah.
it's at 92,500,
It's on, okay.
which is a main key level,
And it's on a daily.
and it's on a daily. Oh, it's probably an uptrend in the 1 hour chart. See there, it's an uptrend in the 1 hour chart. Yeah, I knew it. So if you want to be smart as well, you can do that.
Oh, yeah. Plus, like right now, I'm seeing something even in the 1 hour. It's sort of like some kind of like an inverse head and shoulder. Then might push up to the trend line. Then probably maybe reverse.
Yeah, but if it falls, stop, small candles, bearish engulfing, I'm selling to this point. If it breaks, then I can fully sell out of this consolidation box. But that is USD CHF. Anyone else? Which other pairs you guys looking at?
Oh,
by
quick.
the way,
Okay, before okay.
Sorry. By the way, just to interrupt you guys, how do you know that you're gonna be around on the chart when the price get there? That's the question that I usually get, right? On the right hand side over here, it's called alerts. Just under your watch list on TradingView, there's alerts, right? You can create an alert and say, maybe for example, if price comes to, let's just look closer. Let's say price gets to here. If price drops to that point, what is that key level? It's around 92, 280. So you can take an alert, create an alert, and say 90, put the number in 92, 280. And even here, 92, 280. And you can write your message down. You can even click over here. They can send you an email. It can show pop up on your phone. Boom, there's my alerts. So I don't need to sit on the chart the whole time. Can you see that orange line? If price crosses this line, it's my alert. Can you see it's gonna send me USD CHF crossing 92? Then I know wherever I am, whether I'm outside of the office or wherever, I can simply go on my trading view and see, are we closing with a bullish or bearish engulfing in the smaller time frame? Then I can take this up. I can have two alerts. I can have one here and then have another one over here. So just in case price goes back to retest, I'd have an alert and say, write the message down, USD CHF retesting the trend line. So can you see that you will never miss it? Whether we go up or down, I will catch the move. That is something very wise, guys. Can you see over here, it says alert active. So if USD CHF cross, it's gonna send me a text on my phone, and wherever I am, I'm gonna open my chart and see if I can place a trade. I should actually be charging you guys 10 times of the price that I charged you for this. But which other place? No, honestly speaking, but don't worry, it's for this
Yeah,
year.
for sure.
Honestly,
For sure. No cap.
Good.
Yes.
No, sorry. I was talking to someone else. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Mistake, bro. Yeah.
So that is USD CHF past 2 weeks been giving me bullish momentum. So yeah, I'm expecting us to fall further. Let's just wait and see. The lady, Yonde, you remember? Is it you that asked the question?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Any other players that you guys are looking at, guys, to close off the week? For next week, probably.
Floyd,
Yes, brother.
do you only trade currencies?
Most of the time, I trade gold as a
Oh,
metal, but I don't like indices
and
like your
Ness.
US 30s and no.
Oh,
My
oh, I
emotion
get you.
can't handle it.
Oh, okay, bro.
Yeah, it's always good to be truthful to yourself. You know that. I know my emotions
Yeah,
can't handle this things move, bruh. Yo, I panic when it moves. So I've been trading for 4 years, literally going to 5 years. Now I've tried trading indices. If we can use the same strategy, it works because I mean it's
Yeah.
we broke above 135,000 here, which we can see on US 30. Price is moving in an uptrend because we got new highs. So I'm expecting us to maybe stop. Okay, that's if we're creating new highs by 137,500, but that is way too far. So I obviously have to look at the market for what it is now. We have to maybe target this next key level, which is 35,500 is the next strong key level we have. We might get a retest here. We get a bullish or bearish engulfing in the smaller time frame. See like what price is doing now, stopping around, and then boom, a big candle up. I'm buying to the next key level. That's just my thing. But I don't usually trade indices, guys, because those things move.
German 30 is good.
Mm-hmm. And one thing as well that I know most of the people that trade indices.
Yeah.
Understand? And what you guys see most of the time, they show you guys what you want to see. You guys understand?
Where we went.
On there.
Do you guys understand? They show you guys
Yeah.
what you guys want to see. They show you guys the blue barcoding of everything. You know how many times the market does not go their way, but they don't show that. So I don't think I can apply my risk management when it comes to this indices. And by the way, it's not for my personality. But if you want to apply it, you can apply it. Any other one? Which pairs are you looking at?
GBP or AUD. GBP AUD.
GA.
Oh.
GA.
Top tier shit. Top tier shit. There we go. It's already done. Should I explain it? I think we did it yesterday. I did it with the first group. I think it was Yonde and Mo and what Nelly Siwe. We did GA yesterday, but let's just do it again. So GA, since we're closing the week, I'd obviously look at the bigger time frame. You see, weekly chart for the past 4 weeks has been giving us bearish momentum. I'm done. I just looked at that. That's all that matters to me. Price is trading at 185. Flat on the dots. Boom, 185. That's a main key level, bro. I'd obviously look at the last time your price stopped at. I'll look at 187,500 because I know that's my main key level. Just in case we go above, I know we'd approach that level there. Last time price stopped is here. And the last time is here. If we go below 185, I would look at the target to be 182,500, which we can see the last time stopped there exactly. Can you see price stop there exactly on 182,500?
Yeah.
So I wouldn't pull my
82,500.
I wouldn't pull my line all the way back, but for your sake, I'll do that. Because me, I like charts neat. I'll just leave it there. But anyway, for your sake, I'll do that. I'd look at the type of trends that the market is moving in, which we can all see. I feel like you guys are already on the advanced side of things now. Because you can, while I'm analyzing, you can already see where I'm going to. We have a bounce of that with my eclipse. Boom. Out of possible
Floyd.
from here to the downside.
That's right.
Yes.
Is it safe to put the trend line on a body or in the wicks there?
I like it on my weeks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But like I said, guys, you guys need to understand the trend line is not, it's not the holy grail, eh? Because see here, I want to show you guys something. Can you guys see the type of trend we had here? It was an uptrend, right?
Yeah.
Price broke the trend line, but still gave me a higher low
Yeah.
on this one. So trend line is not everything. That's why the tips, remember the tips we did? I said use it where it's possible. So on GA, I'll go into my 2-hour time frame just to have a look at maybe for the fact that market decided to go above this mini trend line and we went above that. I would expect the market to maybe go back up bounce of this trend line somewhere around here. And then I could easily take that. Let's say, for example, market does this. I'm not saying the market is going to do that exactly. The market goes up, bounce here, bounce there. What I'd look at is the trend line from here going to that point. Do you guys understand? If the market breaks it, then I'll sell it. I wouldn't sell it to here. I would sell it to here because that was the last low. Does that make sense to you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm expecting GA maybe to go up from Monday, Tuesday, but during the week, eventually, I think we're going to be falling. Because look how we broke below this 85,000, 86,000 key level. We didn't even retest it. I mean, we didn't even retest. We just flew down. So, I think if we go back and retest it, my heart will be at ease if the market does that. So in this case, what I would do, I'd simply put an alert over here when the market gets back and retest, and I'd put another alert over here, just in case the market breaks below and go lower. I'd sell it from there if it's possible to that point,